Mr. Zippos Goodbar is swiftly becoming a household name within our industry. The 2015 Stallion's pedigree is as decorated as any in the business. Having been sired by AQHA and NSBA Hall of Fame inductee, Zippos Mr. Goodbar, and out of Crimson's only chip, a producing daughter of all-time leading sire Invitation Only. History always calls first for an epic, and this young stallion has proven that his will be one for the record books. With his massive success in the show pen, excellent genealogy and disposition, it firmly stands to reason that his sire record will be equally remarkable. Dominating the pen as a 2-year-old, he cinched wins at the highest levels of competition, taking home 2 Tom Powers champion titles, 2 world titles, and a High Point champion title from the 2017 NSBA World Show, as well as 2 Congress champion titles in the 2-year-old Open and 2-year-old Intermediate Open Western Pleasure Stakes classes. His consistency, expression, and ring presence have made him a hard-hitting competitor. His supremacy a salute to his iconic ancestry.
Quarter horse Congress champion in 2-year-old Western Pleasure Stakes, entry number 9154. Champion receiving $3,470 along with a $1,000 gift card.
If you've been on the search for the X Factor, your search ends here. Mr. Zippos Goodbar will stand at stud with Richland Ranch in Auburn, Illinois.